Hello dear students. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 9, that is pronoun. So here we start. First, let us understand the concept of pronoun or the definition of pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. That means a word that is used in place of a noun. Noun we already dealt with. That noun is a name of a person, place, and thing. But here, a word that is used in place of a noun or used instead of a noun, that is pronoun. For example, I, me, this, those, he, her, himself, etc. These are the example of pronoun. Here I'm also giving you a more example, like Smita thanked Raj because Raj had helped Smita to complete Smita's work. Here in this example you just see that a name Smita is continuously coming so many times, even also Raj is coming two times. But when we have to change with the pronoun or when we just used instead of a noun, so here we change like this: Smita thanked Raj. One time we just use the name, and then because now in place of Raj, here we use he, because he is used for the masculine gender. He helped her. Here in place of Smita we used her. For the feminine gender we use her. Complete Smita's work. So this is the example. Here we can see that the words that are used instead of a noun, that is pronoun. Here he, her are the pronouns. So now there are various types of pronoun. In your book there are 6 type of pronoun is there. Number 1, personal pronoun. Number 2, possessive pronoun. Number 3, reflexive pronoun. Number 4, emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. Number 5, demonstrative pronoun. And number 6, interrogative pronoun. So let us start one by one. First number is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? It is defined as a pronoun that refer to a particular person or a group or a thing. Personal pronoun stands for the person, and here are some personal pronoun like I, me, mine, we, us, etc. These are the example of personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are of various type. First, subject pronoun and object pronoun. What is subject personal pronoun? It is defined as a pronoun that act as a subject of the sentence. For example, I would like to go to the party. Here, I is a subject and act as a subject personal pronoun. He left office early today. She went shopping with her friends. So here, he, she, I act as a subject personal pronoun. Next one is object personal pronoun, defined as a pronoun that act as an object of a verb, compound verb, preposition or a phrase. For example, she praised me for a job done well. Here, me act as a object personal pronoun, and here in the starting she. What is she? That is a subject personal pronoun. Next example, he looked at it lovingly. Here it is object personal pronoun. Basically, forms of personal pronoun are 3. That is first person, second person and third person. And what are these persons? Number 1, that is first person. First person, it means that they tell us about people who are speaking. It is defined as a pronoun that refers to the speaker or writer or to a group that includes the speaker or writer. It means the person who is speaking stands for the first person. For example, I, me, my, we, us, are. These are the example of first person. Now second person. Second person is the pronoun defined as a that refers to the person with whom one speak. It means they tell us about people who are being spoken to, that with whom we speak. That example is you and yours. Now the third person, it is defined as a pronoun that refers to people or things other than the speaker and the persons addressed. It means that they tell us about people who are being spoken about. The third person whom we are talking about, that is he, him, his, hers, she, they, them, theirs, it, its, they, them. These are the example of third person. For example of all these three person, like I am talking to you about them. So here in this sentence, I is first person, you is second person, and them is third person. So this is personal pronoun. Now the second one is a personal pronoun, that is they take the place of a person or thing. Then second one is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are, these are the words used instead of nouns to show possession or some ownership or to show some relationship. The words that are used to show ownership or possession, like example, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Just like example, this book is mine. So here book is mine. So that shows the ownership, that this book is mine. That house is theirs. This pen is yours. So this is the possessive noun. Then emphatic pronoun, that is show emphasize and generally used after the pronoun, like he himself organized the picnic, she herself baked the cake. Here just after he himself is there, that shows a pronoun is emphatic. Here after she, that shows herself, that shows that pronoun is emphatic. Then demonstrative pronoun, that stands for the that stands to use to point out a particular noun. For example, in this four type of pronoun is there: this, that, these, those. Like this is a table, that is a mouse, those are hats, these are the pencils. So these are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Next one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are the words that are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. Like they are pronouns in which the actions done by the subject reflect upon itself is added to the personal pronoun. Here in this reflexive pronoun and emphasizing pronoun, words we just add by adding self and selves, like myself, himself, herself, yourself, and for the plural themselves. These are the words that is show for the reflexive pronoun. Like he went to the market by himself. This is the example of reflexive pronoun. Next and the last one is interrogative pronoun, that are used to ask question, that are used for asking question. Example are like who, whom, whose, what, which. Like which is your book, what are you eating, who is standing by the door, whom did you meet, what do you want for dinner. So these are the questions, these are the pronouns that are used for asking questions. So that is interrogative pronoun. So here are 6 type of pronoun. One is personal, second is demonstrative, third is interrogative, fourth is reflexive, fifth is emphasizing, and sixth is possessive. So this is all the chapter pronoun. Thank you.